This Beet Wellington is an impressive vegan main for your festive table. To get started, heat some olive oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and leek and cook stirring for 6 to 8 minutes or until the pan juices evaporate. Add the garlic and half the thyme and cook stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture is dry. Stir in the breadcrumbs, then transfer the mixture to a heat-proof bowl and set aside to cool. Next, heat some more oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Add the beetroot, apple, ginger, rosemary, vinegar and remaining thyme. Cook stirring for 4 to 5 minutes or until the mixture is dry. Season to your liking and set aside to cool completely. Place the beetroot mixture, chickpeas and almond flour in a food processor and process until the mixture is smooth. Place the mixture on some plastic wrap and shape it into a 25 cm by 8 cm log. Fold over the plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Next, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with baking paper. Place one pastry sheet on a clean work surface and cut in half. Join one half and the remaining whole sheet of pastry together with the ends overlapping slightly, pressing down to seal. This will make a large rectangle. Spread a third of the mushroom mixture along the centre of the pastry, leaving 5 cm at each end. Remove the plastic wrap and place the beetroot log on top of the mushroom mixture. Use your hands to press the remaining mushroom mixture over the beetroot to cover. Now for the braid. Cut the pastry on both sides of the beetroot log on a slight diagonal at 1 cm intervals. Starting from one end, fold a strip of pastry over the beetroot log. Continue alternating sides and folding the pastry strips under to make a braid, like this. Tuck the ends and spray the log with olive oil spray. Pop in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until it's golden. Serve the Beet Wellington with steamed green beans and cranberry sauce. If you're looking for a delicious vegan main for your Christmas menu, this Beet Wellington is it. It's full of flavour and it looks fantastic.